Well, hello. Kind of put out on social media earlier that kind of a teaser, a picture of a box, and said I had some unboxing. Well, here we are. Time's come. Forgive my video skills. I am not a videographer, so I apologize beforehand. Off to the unboxing. Aero Precision Solus and an action wrench. Full disclosure, I've already had this open. Aero Precision Solus, nice boxing. With a nice heavy duty foam. Some stickers and a nice thank you card. Everybody likes stickers. Some anti-corrosion paper, that's nice. One thing that I don't remember seeing on the website, that maybe it was there and I just overlooked it, but it comes with a barrel nut. Not a real fan of barrel nuts. They have their place. They have their own nut wrench here. It's pretty aggressive teeth on there. Fits a lot more snug than the old Savage action wrench. Like this here. That one doesn't even fit it. The round one fits it, but you'll strip it. Don't recommend using it. Use theirs. You can't, you lose it or whatever, go buy one. Or just shoulder it, which is what I'm going to be doing. Here's the action. It's a 20 MOA reel, Picatinny. Got a side bolt release. One thing that's kind of nice is it actually has a lock on the bolt release. You push it towards the front of the action and it unlocks it. And when it's back at the rear of the action, it will not work. I don't know if you can catch that on the video here or not. Like I said, I'm not a videographer, my videographer. My light is not the greatest in the shop here, but locking bolt release is pretty cool. 3-lug bolt, 60-degree throw, dual ejectors. They took a play out of Savage's playbook again. They've got an extractor very similar to Savage. Not keen on Savage's extractor, so we will see how this goes. Looks like it's controlled round feed. I didn't notice that before either. That should be pretty nice. Fit and finish of the bolt into the receiver is very nice. You got a few thousandths play. Unlike a lot of factory actions, where, you know, to accurize them, just grab a Savage action here. Get a lot of slop. Not as much as a Remington, but there's probably 15, 20 thousandths slop. 60-degree bolt throw, so you don't rack your knuckles on the scope. One thing I found interesting, again, there's a little lip on the face. Not sure the purpose of that. As long as it runs true, it is what it is, I guess. generous relief cut there. 1/16" by 20 threads. There again, so similar to Savage, not quite the same. This comes with a trigger hanger that does not appear to be adjustable in any way. So I guess I really don't understand what the purpose of having the trigger hanger would be if it's not adjustable. Time will tell, I guess. I don't plan on swapping out triggers on this a lot. Or if it goes to a customer, maybe they'll want to, I don't know. Got a toolless bolt shroud. Push it in and turn, that comes out nice and slick. In case you get some crud in there when you're hunting or whatever the case may be, push in and turn. It's got replaceable bolt heads on them. Got a little screw there. Take that screw out, slide the bolt head out, slide your new one in. This is standard. So 308 case family. You can do a 223 or go up to the Magnum. Magnum would be for 6.5 PRC or 301 short mag or any of those SOMs. But yeah, so far I like what I see. Heard some good things from some other builders on them. They've had good luck with them. Their customers are liking them. Tell you what though, this action wrench is substantial. That is a beefy action wrench. 75 plus or minus 5 pounds torque, marked top. Almost looks like this might be replaceable with different heads. I was looking at the Short Action Customs modular action wrench. They did not have a head for the Aero Precision Solus, but got a decent price on this, so I said, well, I need it anyways. Well, I have it. So that's it for the unboxing. Hopefully I didn't murder it too bad. Yeah, we'll see. I'll show you something kind of funny here in my camera stand. Using a bog death grip. Whatever works, right? There again, I am not a videographer. Have a good night all. Thanks for watching.